Someone left a comment on my ads yesterday saying, just face it, you just want to make money. And I thought to myself, why do people do this? Because would you walk into a bakery and just be like, hey, you just want to make money? Would you walk into chiropractors and just be like, hey, you just want to make money? I just don't get why people think because I'm advertising, I just want to make money. Sure, it's an important part of living and having a business. You do need to be profitable in order to help people and feed your family. But on the flip side, I just don't understand why, because I'm running ads, people are like, hey, you just want to make money. Like, well, that's a part of it, but I wouldn't be doing anything. I mean, I'm extremely passionate about it. So a huge part of it is the passion for helping people, the purpose, the ability to make a difference in other people's lives. And just because I'm running ads doesn't mean that I just want to make money. Just in the same way that your local hair salon or donut shop, like, just wants to make money, and shame on them. Thought I'd share that with you guys in case it gives you a laugh.